Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a crispy, cheesy and delicious chicken potato stick recipe. It's perfect for snacks or iftar or freezing for later. Let's get started. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger garlic and saute until fragrant. Now add half cup of boiled shredded chicken. One-fourth cup of cabbage, 1/4 cup of carrot and 3 tablespoons of capsicum. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well to blend all the flavors. Now add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and 3 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. Stir well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture becomes creamy and cheesy. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool for 5 minutes before shaping the sticks. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. And add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Mix well to form a soft dough. Now take a shashlik stick and wrap a portion of the potato mixture around it. Shape it into a smooth, even stick. Now whisk together 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of milk in a bowl. Dip each potato stick into the egg and milk mixture, then coat it well with breadcrumbs. At this stage, you can freeze them for 1 to 2 months and fry them whenever needed. Now heat oil on medium heat and fry the sticks until they turn golden brown and crispy. Flip occasionally for even cooking. Once done, remove from oil and drain on a paper towel. Our cheesy chicken potato sticks are ready. Crispy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside. Just perfect. Serve hot with your favorite dip. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Enoven Foods. See you in the next video.